Boom shakalaka, the entire market crashes 10% today as Binance agrees to acquire FTX to help it out of its liquidity crisis. Also, FTT token dropping 70+%. What this means for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and you. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at what this FTX debacle means for the entire cryptocurrency market, as Bitcoin does something you can see right here that it has never in its history done before. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. And today, fear at 29. I expect this is a little bit of a lagging indicator. Tomorrow, it'll be back into the low 20s. The entire market down 10% today. Ouch. Bitcoin at 18,347, Ethereum at 1297, BNB at 319, XRP 39 cents, Cardano 37 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Polygon boosting up above Solana right now at 97 cents. Now, if we take a look at the charts, Bitcoin has just done something it has never done in its entire history. If we take a look, we can zoom out. It has never before touched this orange line. This is the 318-day moving, or 318 weekly moving average. It has broken through what has historically always been support. Bitcoin bounced off of this green line during COVID. Also in September, October, it was bouncing off of this green line, which was the 280 weekly moving average. Busted straight through there today over the scare of the FTX liquidity crisis. Now, today, FTX agrees to sell itself to rival Binance amid liquidity scare at crypto exchange. The two crypto exchange giants signed a non-binding letter of intent, Binance CEO CZ confirmed on Twitter. Now, this happened just a few days after we can see here that CZ amped up the pressure on Sunday, saying he planned to sell his holdings of FTX's FTT token. Once that happened, that started the price to drop. Now, Alameda's CEO Caroline Ellison tweeted that she would buy all of Binance's FTT tokens for $22 in order to minimize the impact on prices, but the situation worsened on Tuesday as FTX customers struggled to withdraw money from FTX, causing a massive liquidity crisis. Now, isn't this something that's very, very interesting? Because if we take a look at this article here, which was published on June 28th, 2022, when there was the Celsius, the 3-hour Capitals debacle, Sam Bankman-Fried of FTX warns some crypto exchanges already secretly insolvent. Little did we know he was talking about his own exchange. Now, as we see, we were talking about Alameda's CEO who just offered to buy FTX tokens at $22. The price tumbled today over 70% from right around $20 to $5 at the taping of this video. Ouch. Now, Plan C goes on to say, a quote from Kevin O'Leary: "A bottom is usually created when there's a catastrophic event like a large player going bankrupt or somebody is in deep trouble for buying crypto over leverage." Ironically, Kevin is an FTX investor and also the spokesperson for the exchange. So could this whole ironic debacle be really the true sign of the bottom? Well, let's take a look. Right now, put premium are getting out of control. The put to call premium getting out of control. This could be really ugly really fast if prices start to go up. Now, clearly, they didn't do that today, but we kind of have to look on a long term. Also, if we take a look at this, the last time this level was this high was in 2008. Global inflation expectations have fallen off a roof. So the net percent expecting higher global CPI versus world inflation. We can see here, world inflation in blue, that FMX inflation expectations bouncing off this bottom line, same area where we were back in December 2008. Now, if you take a look at the chart here, what happened to world inflation percent right after this? As we can see, dropped dramatically. Could we have the same exact thing happening once again? It's quite possible, especially if we take a look at smart money confidence. The big guys are loading up. Smart money confidence at historically high levels. We saw them this high in 2008, the same area right down here before world inflation dropped dramatically. So, do you want to buy into the fear, or could this possibly be a bottom like we were talking about previously? You have to look at some of the charts, and right now, the risk reward on Bitcoin gets exceptional after this happens. When the NUPL, the net realized profit and loss, has bottomed after creating new lows. You can see the bottom right here. Now, historically, bottoms have indicated a bottom for price. Each time we had a bottom in this, that was a bottom in price. This could indicate as well a bottom in price. And you have to zoom out on a macro picture. Everything will be fine. See it as an opportunity. So if we take a look on a longer time frame, these are monthly candles here, we can see this downtrend. Okay, we can see this downtrend. We can see this downtrend. Well, guess what? This giant collapse that we had today, 10% down, we're still really just on the bottom of the trend line. Look at this. We were on the bottom of the trend line for a while there. We were on the bottom of the trend line for a while here. So it could happen. Once again, we're definitely on the bottom of the long trend for the longest period of all three of these. But, you know, that makes it great buying opportunities, especially when you consider this right here. Bitcoin new address momentum has flipped positive. The network is growing more than normal. Now, this may seem like something not important, but historically, when this has happened, this has indicated significant bull run. So when this red line is above the blue line, that's when the number of new addresses is above the trend line. And each time that has indicated a significant bull run. That was the one leading up to 2017, 2018. Also the one in 2019, 2020, 21. So this could be the beginning of a brand new trend for Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean you need to go all aping in right now. However, the bottom may be found, as we've seen here, and, you know, it might have been predicted as well. So that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.